Alright, so I did buy this. I just forgot it was the same order. The amethyst was actually an afterthought. I've ordered these and then, yeah, he showed me the amethyst. So anyway, this is what we've got. Blue Octohedrons. Oh, right. This is what smells good. Why? What the heck? It smells like Fruit Loops. Oh my goodness. There's a bicolor of blue in there. It's so pretty. Why does it smell like Fruit Loops? Oh my god. Oh my god, the colors. Oh my god, the colors. Oh my god, the colors. There's white stripes in there. Oh, relax. Is that bright or dim? Bright? Oh, I see it less, but I still do see it. Okay. Well, no matter what, these are exactly the colors I was hoping for. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Can you see that color? That is good news. This is not cheap for these little things. But I am happy with this. Oh wow. Oh, that's a good one. I don't know if you can see the lines in there. Probably not, huh? Okay, well I am very, 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 very into this. These are nice. And they're gonna pack into those jars when I mix some of this blue into a jar. I'm about to blow some minds. I have to post tonight for sure with the blue and a purple jar next to each other. And a green jar, I guess. Kind of size grading while just also looking at them. Man, this is just an unbelievable color. Where the hell is the camera on these phones? Wow. I like how they just throw you one big one. Just to make sure you're happy. So I have other blue on the way. This one I actually kind of forgot about. But the other one was supposed to be not great quality. So we'll see. This may be the best blue, and I'm happy with it, even though I've definitely paid like nearly double what I've been paying. Definitely double for what I'm gonna open next. But these could be really, really nice. This could be just good quality, and if that's the case, I'm still happy because that blue is great. What up, bakers? Check out these monsters, chonkers. I got about 7 of them. And now I'm going through this that I also got. Blue. Got some really pretty blue. Really, really stunning color. Like insane color. Some of these are like a different blue. I don't even know what to call it. That like deep kind of, it's not even aqua because it's a little greener. Like it's not ocean view, but it's not aqua blue. It's kind of like in between. Maybe a turquoise is a good way to describe this color. It is pretty. There's no way to get that looking right there. Not with all the other lights I've got around. But anyway, let's dump this out and see what this looks like. Hopefully there's some big pretties in here too. Or some bicolors or something. I'm just gonna toss their bag. Alright. That's got a little bicolor in it. There's a little green stripe down the middle. Nice big boy. Electric blue, yeah, that's a good way to describe it. That's a really good way to describe it. Oh, this isn't bad. There's a lot of big ones. Oh, whatever I just flipped was really pretty. Where'd it go? It had baby blue. It had blue and purple. We'll see it. I think that might have been it, and I just haven't seen the right angle again yet. Oh, I love when they're, this one's a little bit, like, murky. Like, it's got purple just kind of sporadically about it, but not consistently. So it'll have, like, blue spots and purple spots and clear spots and just really cool. Looks like you took an ink drop into some water and it just started spreading out, and then it froze in place. I love that. Those big amethysts are cool. I wanted to get these little jars going to do something fun with them, so this is a good start to that. I'm definitely going to need a case of the green ones first, because these are just, no one's going to want to pay what it would cost for me to fill up one of these with these. Probably. I want to wash them and stuff first. I'm not going to mess with it, because then I'm going to filthy up the bottle and blah blah blah. I am just curious how these look together though, because I've not really seen the blue and purple combo together. That's pretty. They make a nice combo. Same problem with my lives up close. There was a weird little double, but it's they were just close. Jeez. That's almost black. Wow. Color. One's almost black. Man. Oh, that looks good right there. Oh, look at that. Oh, we figured it out. There's one of my keepers for sure. That doesn't even go back in this pile. We need a keeper box. Alright, one moment. Alright. You guys gotta watch me sit here and take all my favorite ones out. But I wanted that one. Fear not. There are plenty to go around. I don't want to take that many actually. I'm going too crazy right off the gate. That purple one needs to go, but that one and that one for sure, and that one. That one too. Those were all actually good decisions. That's what I get for second guessing myself. I just waste time. Man, I want to go wash these. They're so pretty. Oh, that electric turquoise deep blue is nuts. Just kind of moving the big ones that way. I like to sort by size on these at first, especially since I'll probably put a lot of them into jars. Feels goofy putting these ones in the jars because I paid a lot for them, but that's just gonna have to be what it is. Alright. They smell so good. I can't get over how good they smell. Why do they smell like... Oh, that one's really pretty. Why do they smell like Fruit Loops? Oh, you're mine. You're mine. Oh yeah, you're mine. We're friends now. Oh, the white tip on the bottom? Yes. I think that... Oh. We'll send you for a journey into my special pile for now. We'll call it my high grade. Maybe this isn't my keeper, but it's gonna be my high grade for sure. Those are tough to come by. I'm gonna have to take most of those into the high grade. Different color blue that is so nice. I'm in love with these. Picking the darkest ones out and separating them because that's just an easy way to get, you know, that kind of stuff going. I guess I should do the same for some blues, but I don't know. I don't really feel like the darkest blues are the same as the darkest purples because they're just kind of different. Though some of them are really good. That's a good one. Alright, I think I'm going to cut this quick live. We just wanted to do a quickie little second one to unbox these. I guess we'll call it first kilo of octo floaters because it was 500 and 500, so it was 1 kilo total. And previously we just got like, I don't know, 100 grams. This should have been 10 times that. I think it is. These big ones take up a lot of space. Cool. Alright, thank you for hanging out, guys and gals and everybody. We'll be back later with who knows what. Stay tuned. Take care.